the kit, you get the main hot tap unit, a 12-volt pump, hoses, the shower head, and a mount cover. It's built tough and compact enough to bring along on any trip. Instead of setting it on the ground, I mounted the hot top to my MOLLE panel. It locks in securely, saves space, and it's always ready to go. Setup is quick. Connect propane, plug in the pump, and drop it to your water source. Whether that's a tank or straight from the lake, your shower ready in minutes. The water pressure feels strong, and hot water kicks in within seconds. You can dial the temperature anywhere between a refreshing rinse or a steaming hot shower. After a swim in the lake, a hot shower is a luxury at camp. But not anymore. With Joolca HOTTAP heated shower system, it is possible! The Joolca HOTTAP is about as close to a home shower as you'll get in the wild. Mounted to the MOLLE panel, it's out of the way and ready whenever I need it. For camping and overlanding, this is a game changer.
Dito naman sa bilang sa
After a swim in the lake, it feels incredible to rinse off with real water pressure. And it's not just for showers. You can clean gears, rinse off sandy feet, or even wash your dogs. Since the water keeps flowing, as long as your source lasts, it's basically unlimited. And with warm water, you can see how comfortable our dogs are during their bath. Refresh, puppy clean.
see, it's so warm that they're really enjoying the shower, you know.
I know. If you like what you've seen and want to check out the Joolca Hot Tap for yourself, I've dropped a link in the description below. Go take a look and let me know in the comments if this is something you would bring on your adventures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews.